how to send disappearing photos on Telegram. For that, you need to open the Telegram application. Now, here you need to tap on the pencil icon at the bottom right corner. Here, you need to choose any person you would like to send the disappearing photos. Once you have opened the chat, you need to tap on this pin icon at the bottom of the screen and you need to select any photo or image. And here you can see the review of the photo. On the section, you need to tap on this one icon at the add caption of the screen, and here you need to choose how long the media will be kept after opening. Let's tap on 10 seconds. After that, you can write caption and customize this photo as well. Now tap on the send button, which is at the bottom right of the screen. So this is how you can easily send the disappearing photos on Telegram. So when the other person opens this photo, after 10 seconds of opening that, this photo will automatically disappears. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.